Hello, my friends. Welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for the Mercy Tiara Kits team. And I am using this Sunshine Kit. It is for June 2024. And guys, the color palette and the patterns, all of the things make me so darned happy. So this is my third layout with this kit, and I could do like 3 million more. It's true. Now, I do have the main kit. I have got the pattern paper add-on kit, cardstock kit, and embellishment kit. So that helps to tell the story why I can play and play. All right, so let's take a look at this. I have got this picture of the freeloaders that are living in my fern on my front porch. Every year we pop ferns on the porch. We have 1, 2, 3 ferns, yes. The moment we get those ferns up, these kind of ugly little brown sparrows come and start making babies in there. So right now we've got these 2 little ugly guys, and they're really itty bitty, like their eggs are tiny. And there are 2 just still waiting to be hatched. So these ugly little things, I was working on the front porch, and their mother was not happy. I was, I had my laptop out there working away, and you just kept hearing, I'm like, oh my gosh, the babies were born. So there we go. Our current ugly babies, and my husband was making like little sounds, and their little mouths were going open, and mama was not happy. All right, so I've got some white cardstock that we have in our kit, fab. And I was looking at the colors of my little furry friends here, well, feathery friends. They've got like 1 feather between them. And I loved this pink. I was like, yes, please. So let's go ahead and try not to overthink too much. Ooh, I love the pattern on the other side. Let's not overthink it too much. And we will just go ahead and create, let me get this ruler. I have a sturdy ruler too. Let's go ahead and just kind of create a couple little messy little bits. Now, I could have just done this in the first place because I do like the messy line you can also get. Which way do I like it more? Ooh, I like it like that. So I wanted to just go, I'm going to do that because that's what I want. So why not just do what I want? Okay, let's go ahead. We'll create another one right here. It's straightish, right? With my handy dandy little ruler, it works out either way. So I have that on white cardstock. I've got ugly little birdies that are also matted on white cardstock. What I thought I would do is go ahead and fussy cut out a bunch of these gorgeous pieces, because then they are going to show so nicely. Now I only have 1 full-size piece, which is fine. I'll put that one right here, and the other ones I'll kind of tuck and nobody will see them. So we have kind of this pink and mint vibe. Now I also will play up whatever I can with these other colors. So let's see what we might have that would work. I keep this little block to be tortured by different sticker things. It's just what I do. Let's see. Ooh, we've got this gorgeous pink, and it reads special day. Oh, we've got a little guy, cute little one. And oh, live out loud. Well, they were freaking loud, so that gets to be on there too. How fun. Okay. Ooh, and they're kind of dark. I can bring in this today. These poor little birdies. Actually, I can hear them right now squawking out there. So a bunch of the chipboard. How fun is that? I love that. Okay. Ooh, that might be pretty too. Uh-oh. Okay, so we're going to have a lot of frames. Good to know. Look where it is now. I'm just blowing through the chipboard, which is perfect. Okay, then, you guys, I can literally hear them. I think they know that I am talking about their little chirpy selves. Ooh, I've got this gorgeous piece here, this nice little label. Remember, this would be perfect. So yeah, I'm kind of in a color matching vibe. It keeps happening when I'm creating. A day to remember. I don't know if it's that dramatic. A day to remember. Okay, love all of that. That is perfect. Now let me take, oh, guys, I know what sparked the whole idea, and I'm not even sharing that with you. We have these Dina Wakley feathers that I wanted to have popping out. I thought it would be super cute. They're chipboard shapes, and of course you can decorate them however you want. I'll probably grab some Distress Oxides and, zhuzh them up just a little bit. So we have that. Oh my gosh. while I'm at it, since I've been plowing through my supplies, I have 3 little hearts left. I will zhuzh them at the same time as my chipboard. Just going in, I'll find, you know, some Distress Oxides that match. It'll be great. I think Evergreen Bow is kind of bow. It's kind of that color. And then let's see, Sunshine Dream. Does Sunshine work for this? Probably not. Let's see, Sparkle and Shine. What does that read? Let's see. Oh, Chase Your Dreams. Cute. Maybe I'll bring in a tiny bit of pink. I'm not quite sure. It depends what I need to bring in, you know, as things go. So we'll stick with this. I think it might be something like, well, it also depends because I have 1 E left. So I can do Hello. So I can't do Hello Birdies. Can't do Hello Friends. I'm going to come up with something. I will come up with something. But in the meantime, let me get some fussy cutting done. So let's see what we have. I've got my band on. I've got these gorgeous sea foamy florals on. I do not have this piece tacked down very well. So let's see. Are those about even? The hearts? Yes, they are. Okay. Now, I did go ahead and used a few different Distress Oxide ink colors to make my feathers and hearts fancy. So let's see. Oh, I love that pink on there. That's pretty. And now this is a different color feather. And you guys, you know what? Where are my big fat scissors? It's been like 2 days since I did this, so I'm out of sorts. Do you guys have that? Like you're zipping along, you're crafting, and then, you know, you have to do some life. And then you're like, where was I? Where was I? Who am I? What's going on? Okay, so we've brought in some of that gorgeous blue. Now what I want to do is take a look at some of these pieces and see where I might want to fit them in. Thinking I like this over here. And guys, I know it's a frame, but I can frame however I want. I am the boss of me frame. It is all true. Let me get, and yes, I do have a favorite square ruler. Like this one grabs the sides so much better than my other ones. It's a little weird. Okay, so I have that. Let me put the piece I'm not using into its home base. Live Out Loud, they are so loud. So I'd like to be able to use that. I wonder if I can tuck it. Guys, I have a new, and my feathers aren't even tacked down yet. So yeah, that's smart. I have a new like robot vacuum, kind of like a Roomba, and it's running in the other room. The boys aren't super excited about it. Maybe if I go like that. So I don't know. I don't like the, I can pop something right on top of that weird blank space. So yeah, the boys are not super thrilled, quite frankly. I mean, it's not stopping me. Yikes. This has been on my block way too long, but they are just grousing in there about it while it's going and zipping by them. It's kind of funny. So I have this, and you know what I did super late in this creation process? I just picked up my labels, you know, the ones that you can print at home, but I'm not cool enough to have a color printer. So I definitely want to get some of the itty bitty ones brought in. I like the little ones. They're my favorites. Okay, so we have that. We've got a little bit more of the blue color. Let's get a little bit of chunky, like, oh, what's that over there going on? We can bring some of that bright pink over with it as well. I love kind of having them cantilevered. And then, ooh, this is very dark. I'm gonna put that right there. How I said I like to have them just kind of on there. Perfect. And then the other piece I chose was this one that reads, Remember This. So let me get a little bit of my foamies, of my foamy foams, because I want to have it, you know, like right up here where the photo is. You know what? I think I'm going to double it because I want it to be higher than the photo. And the photo is already up on, oh, that didn't work at all. The photo is already up on a little bit of adhesive. So I want to have shadow, and I wouldn't have been able to have that. Perfect. Phew. Now, where are my little but cute? So you get the 2 sheets and you can print them 1,000 times. I actually have printed them in grayscale as well because, you know, that's what I can do at home. And it was super cool. So I've got the blue here. I'd like to get some of the blue over here. So these are super squared off. So let me grab an ovally one, and I won't make you sit there and be tortured and watch me to fussy cut because I'm slow. It is true. I'm just gonna get it out so we kind of know what I'm talking about. Oh, and I also, you know how we were talking about the title before? Where do I want? I want it. Ooh, I like that. I think Feed Me would be more than appropriate because they have been squawking. So I don't have enough lowercase e's, but I do have enough uppercase. So they're just going to be demanding, like Little Shop of Horrors Demando. Now, where do we want the title to go? I could have had it here if I don't have this stuff. Guys, will I be able to get it up? I don't know. These are like sticky stickers. Oh, yes, I can. Okay, so I'm going to just leave that one down and we'll work around it. So let me get the me down. So I'm going to have the title Feed Me. I'm going to make it like with an exclamation point. So I'll just use these goodies and, you know, cut something up. So I can have the M go right on that part. And all right, so I'm going to get these pieces on. I'm going to put those pieces back that we just looked at. Then we'll figure out how to finish it up with just a little bit of zhuzh. So clearly I've got my base down and I'm digging it. I really am. But now I want to add the stuff. I did end up using all of the same pieces. I just brought them down a little bit. Things are a little heavy over here, but they're a little heavy here. So it's pretty balanced. I still have my 3 sweet little blue colored in hearts. So let's go ahead and just kind of place them. Ooh, that might be pretty to have stuff come down this way. I'm just going to go ahead and place them a bit. And then let's also have a little guy going this way. And guys, I still have a nice amount of our confetti mix. Not a lot, because, you know, I love it. But I do have a nice amount on hand. So I'll be able to zhuzh up those areas. Oh, y'all, I also have enamel dots. So I'll be able to cluster away. That's fine. Great. Now let's see about little pieces. It looks like this is one I fussy cut. Let's see if there's any little pretty bits. Do I want to bring in a deep navy? Interesting idea. So if I did that, I would also start coming in this way because, you know, the balance. Okay, oops, get out of there. We do not have washi in this kit. It was an interloper. So I like the idea. If I have it there, I can also pop some right about here to break that up. Okay, I'm liking like this limited color palette. Don't know how many of these florals I have left. I just want some of the, like the light stuff, or if I bring in color, I want it to be like the blue colors. Yeah, it's just one of those things. Oh, good. I have enough of those to get some traction. Now these, yeah, I like that. Oh, I've got some little tiny pink hearts. There's at least 2. Oh, I have 3. So this is gonna fill in my little cluster action pretty nicely. Okay, that's plenty of those for now. I can put that aside and be happy. This can go aside and be happy. Nice. All right, so did I tell you guys that you can grab adhesives like ATG, and I've got a whole cute bin of adhesives that I pick up from Mercy Tiara kits. That way, like, you can just have it sent with your, I know how to say words. I'm looking for my like little baby adhesive. Here it is. You can send it with your kits and then you have good stuff. Okay, I'm going to pop up some of these little bits, finish it off with some enamel dots, some confetti bits, all of that. And I'll come back and show you the finished layout because as things go, this pretty little project is just about done. All right, my friends, that is this fun layout done. I love how it looks when you add your little bits at the end. There's something about those little touches that just make makes my heart pitter-pat. And look at those poor ugly little things. The poor things. They're so hungry. Anywho, that's what I have today. I will have all the links down below where you can get your hands on these kits, as well as the Facebook group, so you can share what you are doing. You can see what DT's up to, all of that kind of stuff. So is there anything else for me to tell you? I don't think so. I'm going to have some still shots to follow, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. I want to make sure that we can see enough of this bottom bit because there's some gorgeous navy in there too. Okay, I'm going to get some still shots going, and I'll see you guys ever so soon. Bye, friends.